Are you wondering why your expensive luxury leather is starting to look cheap? Time flies, and after a short while, you may be asking yourself why what once looked so good looks so dull. You're not alone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Evan, and it's my goal to share the skills, tools, and knowledge to love your leather. Today, we're tackling a huge misconception, which is that more expensive leather requires less care. Let me show you how to simply and effectively clean and prolong the life of your luxury leather goods. Let's get to it. First, you need to assess the leather to see what needs to be done. My goal here is for you guys to start the maintenance process before your leather gets worn and dirty, because an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Cleaning is absolutely vital to the health of your luxury leather because it removes any dust, dirt, or debris that would otherwise begin to dry out your leather and create that cheap look. Today, we've partnered with Leather Honey to showcase how easy and simple it is to clean and condition your leather. What I love about these strong wipes is that they have a unique texture that effectively cleans any leather, and even better, their cleaner is non-toxic, gentle, and effective. Ensure that you test a hidden spot in order to prevent any unexpected results, because not all leather is made the same, so results may vary. Gently rub in a circular motion, changing to a different side of the wipe when it starts to become dirty. This is going to prevent your leather from getting scratched from dirt or debris. Additionally, these wipes were made for leather, but they also work effectively on other things like vinyl, plastic, rubber, and faux leather as well. Not to mention that they can be used on anything from jackets to shoes to furniture and of course bags. This simple and quick cleaning process is the key to keeping your luxury leather investments in tip-top shape. And of course, it allows your leather to remain clean, supple, and looking expensive. You may be asking yourself, how often should I really be cleaning my leather? And I would highly suggest you clean it as often as it needs to be. Because these wipes are so gentle, there's really no need to worry about fading the leather or dye transfer from cleaning. Just be sure that you guys always follow up with conditioning your leather so it doesn't get parched. From there, fully let your leather dry at room temperature because you want to prevent any mold or mildew. Next, it's vitally important to condition your leather just like you would lotion your skin if it were dry. You do it to maintain that supple and flexible feeling that you look for in luxury leather. And of course, if you don't, that's one reason why your designer leather is beginning to look cheap. Again, ensure you spot test your conditioner to prevent any unexpected results. Note that the conditioner may initially darken your leather slightly, but it should dry lighter, so test it first. At first, this conditioner is going to feel a little oily, maybe even tacky, and that's why it's called Leather Honey, because of the consistency. This is exactly what we're looking for so that the leather can absorb the product deeply into the pores and rejuvenate any thirsty leather. And oftentimes, if your leather has a lighter color than it originally was, it's probably due to the fact that it hasn't been hydrated in a long time. So if you find discoloration like this bag, simply hydrating it may bring back that original color. You may be thinking to yourself, I rarely even use my leather bag, so I don't have to condition it, but you're wrong. Even if you've never used your bag or it's sat on your shelf in a dust bag for a long time, you should still condition it. Why? Because your leather can't produce its own oils and it will eventually dry out over time, even when not in use. So conditioning it will keep it supple and luxuriously vibrant. Once more, let this conditioner sit for at least 24 hours and then wipe off any excess. I always want to share the best leather care tips, tricks, and products so you guys can love your leather. I also want to help you save money, so check out my exclusive discount code AVAMIS for 20% off and free shipping at leatherhoney.com. Check out these wipes and the wide range of Leather Honey products by clicking on the affiliate links in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. By following these simple and quick steps, you can easily keep that luxurious look that your high-end investments deserve. And if you guys found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe with the bell icon for more leather care tips like this. Let me know in the comments how you guys keep your luxury leather looking great. And if you think your leather bags are too far gone, watch my re-dye video next. Remember to love your leather.